Yeah. No.
Seven dragon.
You are a naughty, naughty little boy. If I told you once, I told you 1,000 times to stay out of your father's sock drawer. Naughty, naughty boy.
Can you imagine how much that bit would rub?
Nick Wilde.
Yes.
Oh. Okay, should we give up now? Yeah, what's that one?
What? Mickey Mouse?
It's harder than I thought.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Paper?
Yeah. Alice. Was it?
Cinderella.
Cindy.
Another blonde.
Oh, Tweedledum. Rubbish at this. Thanks for playing.
At this point, I was trying to explain to my friend Antonia how I thought it was strange that the new Star Wars films seem to focus really heavily on Han Solo's dice, the ones hanging in the cockpit of the Millennium Falcon. Now the thing is, I've seen the original trilogy so many times, yet I don't recall ever actually noticing these dice before, but at that point she'd wandered off.
The sacred Jedi texts. Oh, read them, have you? Well, page turners doing that.
What shall we have for dinner?
I don't know.
That mince in the fridge goes off tomorrow. We should probably have that.
This feels like the last room, doesn't it? Finally, we're heading out through the gift and merchandise shop. I don't begrudge them that. Some of these bits are quite nice, especially the t-shirt department. Strong t-shirt game. Be strong. I don't need any more.
Yeah, I do like something
I do kind of like this.
like do you think
I
about like it?
don't £30 like it, but I nearly do. Well, we took a couple of hours doing that, killed some time, and at the end of the day, that's what it's all about. Killing some time.
Yeah. It's all about the match.